In the tumultuous year of 1969, a gathering of peace and music echoed across the verdant hills of Bethel in New York. The stage was set for an epic event that would forever change the course of counterculture history, the Woodstock Music and Art Fair. The decade of the 1960s, a time of radical social and political change, birthed a generation yearning for freedom, unity, and self-expression. With the Vietnam War raging overseas and civil rights struggles dominating headlines at home, young Americans sought solace in the transformative power of music. As the summer of '69 approached, Max Yasgur, a dairy farmer, offered his land for a peaceful musical event, unaware that his farm would become the epicenter of a cultural revolution. The organizers, John Roberts, Michael Lang, Artie Kornfeld, and Joel Rosenman, dreamt of a 3-day tribute to peace, love, and music, a sanctuary for the disenchanted youth of a divided nation. Word of the Woodstock Music and Art Fair spread like wildfire, igniting the imagination of the counterculture movement. Tens of thousands of young people from all corners of the country flocked to the festival, eager to join the celebration of unity and rebellion. On August 15, 1969, the gates of Bethel Dairy Farm opened, welcoming a tide of young people who had traveled far and wide to be a part of history. With little infrastructure in place, the makeshift city that arose was a testament to the ingenuity and camaraderie of the attendees. As the sun set on the first day, the music began, with acts like Richie Havens, Joan Baez, and the incredible string band setting the stage for the legends that would follow. The air was thick with the hum of voices, the scent of incense, and the sweet melodies of guitars, drums, and flutes. On the second day, the rain came, turning the once lush field into a muddy quagmire. Yet, the spirit of the festival remained undaunted. Jimi Hendrix's incredible performance of the Star-Spangled Banner became a symbol of the generation's defiance and disillusionment with the status quo. The third and final day brought the arrival of Sly and the Family Stone, Janis Joplin, and, most memorably, the band's epic performance of I Shall Overcome. As the sun rose on August 18th, the festival came to a close, leaving behind a trail of mud, memories, and a newfound sense of camaraderie among the attendees. The Woodstock Music and Art Fair was more than just a concert. It was a testament to the power of music, the resilience of the human spirit, and the desire for change that defined the 1960s counterculture movement. The images of mud-soaked festival-goers, the cries of 3 days of peace and music, and the unforgettable performances would become an enduring symbol of a generation's quest for freedom and unity in the turbulent years of the late 1960s.